Right, so this morning I've received my SMEG, I'm just trying to look at the model number, KLF04BLUK kettle. The box that the SMEG kettles come in is blue. Every time I get it, I'm always like, I hope they haven't sent me a blue kettle, but you get the little like sign on the bottom there, say it's black. This is the, I think this is like the 2017 or 2018 model, so the letters on the SMEG kettle are the the ones that stand out more, so they're the chunky letters. They used to do it with like stickers on. I much prefer this one. They weren't really stickers, I don't think. They were just basically not embossed. So you can see we've got the toaster. We have literally every single item in our kitchen is SMEG. It's all the either black or the chrome SMEG stuff. So we've got black integrated dishwasher, black integrated washing machine, fridge, freezer, and oven, hob, whatever you want to call it. So we've got literally everything. So I'm just literally removing the contents of the box just so I can get the kettle back into position. Now, when you buy a kettle from SMEG, you basically get 2 years warranty. So the box is empty after that. You get a 2 years warranty, so you can return the kettle if anything goes wrong. Now these, my one kept over boiling, so that is why I sent mine back. And so you get the kettle, which basically, as you can see there, is just the SMEG kettle. So you can see me in the reflection. And then, there you go. Just literally you can see the more stand out letters. So it just looks a lot nicer. And then I'm just gonna grab the bottom bit. Sorry about the noise and the rustling around, but I just want to get the kettle on the bottom thingy. But look how shiny that is. I'm so excited. There it is. So there's the kettle. This one's got the temperature gauge on it. And you literally, when it boils, it kind of just makes the bleep noise, and you can kind of set the temperature up to however many degrees Celsius you want to have your cup of tea at. So that's it. That is the SMEG black retro kettle. If you need any more information on it, I will link everything down below. Thanks for watching.